All right, everyone, welcome. We are live. Adam here in Costa Rica. Will's still on semi-retirement down in.
Not retirement.
he's
it's an hour earlier in Austin, Texas.
Living the dream in Austin. He's at Epoch Coffee. Is it Epoch or Epoch?
It's Epoch. Yesterday I thought it was Epic, but today it's Epoch.
Epoch.
All right. I had to move.
I don't even know what that means. But
I had to move inside because it was so windy outside. So I'm in a corner.
All right, from that corner of that coffee shop, let's get down to business. How are you going to make money today? How are we going to help people make money today?
Money.
What's the market looking like today?
I mean, how are we going to enjoy looking at the market? You can never. I'm going to share the screen. Let's go. I haven't even looked at the chameleon yet this morning. Did you see the chameleon? El Chameleano.
I see me to infinite.
I love
infinite me, which is infinite me, which is the most awesome of me. All right, so cool. What do we got going on today?
Well, let's go to the front page, see what's popping up.
I see you're looking at Google at the top, recently viewed. What are you looking at Google for over there?
You don't want to talk about cupcakes, Hostess?
Hostess brands.
All right, well, let's it is. You see they announced their results, which, by the way, are news, all the press releases. So this is actually a really cool feature. Wow, you got me there thinking about it. All the press releases are pushed out as soon as we get them into the marketplace. If you're someone who likes looking at biotechs, you can view these. You see what I just did up top? Clicked on the view filters.
Yeah, we got it.
You click on those filters, and if you type in like FDA, like there was an FDA search or something announced.
Yep.
Anything will pop up this morning having to do that has FDA in it. So you see there are a bunch of biotechs that have talked about stuff this morning.
Sure. And then you can, of course, sort by your watch list.
Yeah, you can pop them in your watch list. Yeah,
sure.
It's just a real nice feature. Obviously, you're saying search by the watch list.
Yeah.
You liked that I said nice feature, didn't you? I heard you
laugh. You love, dude, you are all about the features, man. You just can't get over, dude. You love your featri man.
You asked about Google, so let's go take a.
Well, I see you're looking at it. I'm like, well, why is Brozilla watching Google today?
How do you even know to look up there, by the way? Is that
dude, all I do is I just look at your top, what you got going on up top, and then I trade that. I see what the market maker's doing, man.
Just so all 6 people who are watching this live know, everything up here is recent searches. They populate the top always, so you can easily go back to symbols you were just perusing.
So what are they looking at? Morgan Stanley boosts Alphabet on Waymo's 175 billion potential. Waymo's, that's their car company, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you know? I mean, it is amazing what those car companies are doing. Well, Waymo, I think, is that independent one you and I discussed privately the other day. That's the car that is going to. It's the only one I think being designed that doesn't have a driver capability. It's all being driven by AI.
All robot.
No steering wheel. The seats are going to be facing each other, I think. Like all hookups for computers. Probably all the screens are going to be computer screens. Who knows? But that's going to be a car where if you buy that car, you pull into your driveway, that car instantaneously goes out and works for you.
Love that, man. Car. I love it.
You love that?
Dude, I'm so into that. I love that, dude. Of course, you're never going to buy these cars. These cars are going to be owned by who? I mean, yeah, my feeling on it is it's going to be whoever owns. You're not going to own a car. It's going to be just the super Uber,
Yeah, you're right.
I love that, man. I am 100% in on that. Who knows going to be who knows who's going to be the winner though, right? Maybe it's Waymo. Who knows, right?
Well, they're the only ones outside of the box thinking on this. I mean, which is interesting because Alphabet's doing their own version of a vehicle, and so are all the others. But it's going to be interesting to see how it works out. Obviously, everyone thinks it's a major play in there. But anyways, what we're looking at Google, I'll show some interesting things that we're adding to the premium feature, which everyone can see. This seasonality, if you click on that, this is giving us seasonal trends in the Google stock.
Yep.
And the seasonal strength in July was interesting. Obviously, we're past now, but if you were looking, at this 5 of the last 6 Julys, there has been a positive occurrence in the price in Google, which is, again, anytime you see the show and table, you click on that and you can see where it's pulling the data. Event-driven historical strength is a feature that's coming, which is going to be cool. But I think, looking at maybe the at-the-money straddle performance to see how the straddle has performed. Now, do you remember what the straddle is there, young sir?
It's buying and selling at the same time.
Close. It's either buying the two,
or selling. Wait, isn't that just called buying and selling?
Someone is buying and selling. If you're long the straddle, you are buying both the put and the call that is closest to where the stock price is. That is referred to as at the money, ATM straddle.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And if you're anyway,
what am I hoping? What am I hoping happens if I do that?
If you own the straddle, you want the stock to move outside the premium you paid for the straddle. So if you paid $2 for the straddle, you want the stock to move more than $2 for it to be, a winner.
So you're just betting on a move either way.
Either way, either a move or a lack of a move. Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So
wait. A move or a lack of a move?
Yeah, if you're long, you're betting on a move. If you're short, you're betting that it doesn't move that amount.
Gotcha. Yep.
So anyways, here are the different holding periods that have been analyzed. Holding long Wednesday to Friday, holding short Tuesday to Wednesday, holding short Thursday, and it shows the win percentages, win rate. And I was just, perusing that, kind of trying to look to see if there were any opportunities in Google. This was the one, number of winning occurrences here. Was interesting to look at. These, look at trying to use the numbers to start developing a strategy. So this is unhedged at the money straddles. You can view delta neutral at the money straddles, daily delta rehedged at the money straddles.
What's rehedged mean? What does that mean?
It's your hedging every day. So you're hedging your delta. We won't go too deep here, but you're hedging your delta of that straddle every single day. So you're hedging the move of the stock every single day.
Look at that one. I mean, 91%, 10 of 11 winning occurrence Tuesday to Wednesday.
Yeah, and then you can show it in the table right there. So that is a really cool premium feature that is available.
Wow, look at that, man.
Yep, there you go.
Everybody be careful out there, but some things look real nice on paper, don't they?
Yeah, you always have to be careful and watch where you're. Make sure you're hedged and make sure you've assessed all the risk when doing anything. But those are things popping, showing up in Google and the at the money straddle performance report today.
All right, brother. You enjoy your coffee. Everybody have a great trading day.
Later.
Take care.